So last night, you don't know how close we were. We were literally 2 minutes until sun went down and we had to be off the road, but we made it. Okay, so we've come to collect the combines. I'm gonna go back and unload. Just got a little journey to take. And then we're going to go combining, I think. We've got a few concaves to change, my belt to change. Izzy's gonna pull my header for me. Tiredness is starting to hit today. It's always the day after the drive. I think adrenaline keeps you going. Anyway, time to unchain now because we've made it home. So that's the front unchain, time to go to the back. So unchain the middle, and I've got to go up each side and unhook from here. Okay. Time to put these down now. Whoops. Aerials to go back on. Okay, just gonna back this off now. Okay, so I made it off the trailer. So we've got the AF9 waiting to have its jewels on. Number 10's unloaded. Here's the jewels. Can't get them off. We're going to use something else to get them off. But luckily we've got a little forklift about nowadays, so it's a lot easier. Off it goes. The jewels are just going on now, but look at this cart, a Brent 1598. Jeez. I'll have to show you the side in a minute. Just one more jewel to go on, and then all the combines are sorted. I gotta change concaves and a belt, and then we should be good to go. So we're going on to soybeans, or beans, so I need to change concaves. I'm just going to do that while we're waiting to put the other jewel on. Okay, I can't put it down. So you got the mag concaves again. Pass me a bolt, please. What do you want? A bolt on that white cover. Oh. You're out of breath. I don't know if I can do it now. Hopefully they will be. Thank you.
The thingy ones.
The mad concaves.
The what?
The bushel plus concaves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're different.
Yeah. They should be really good for just giving them a go. And I
Did
got
he
a
buy
very.
them?
I'm not sure.
Or like were they given as that try them out?
I'm not sure actually. But I tell you what, they give us a much cleaner sample when we're in them chickpeas than the other ones that we use. You could see it. I might need a hammer. Yeah. But no, they gave us a lot cleaner sample. Probably. Might go from the other way. Where's my little bolt gone? There it is. Come on.
So how many have you got to change?
I think just 4. 2 in the front, 2 each side. I would assume. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Big.
Now.
Okay. Let's put it in. These ones are a lot lighter than the other ones. Oh, that went in easy. We're in. Good? So the concaves are now changed on mine. Now I've got to do these. Oh my goodness. This AF9 is really difficult to change concaves in because you have to like get in it. Okay, so now my concaves are done. Izzy's going to take it and put fuel in it, and I'm going to start on Paul's concaves now. Oh, it's so nice being at a shop and having all the tools, all the right things. You know, when I dropped a bolt, I could find it because it was on the concrete. Normally I'm scatting it around in the field trying to look for the bolt because I've dropped it. Yeah, it's so much easier and so much nicer. You actually take for granted the space you have in a workshop when you get out on the road and you don't have anything apart from what you've got. long. All part of the thing. Great.
Did you need that?
What a nightmare. Yeah, if you can get them to sit. It's heavy. It's so hard. I thought I was going to die doing that other one. Oh, give it a go. Izzy doesn't want to do it, so, well, she tried, but we're going to give it a go.
I'm just weak.
I think this one's harder.
I can't
Let's
do
see
it.
if I can do it. I'm gonna die doing this. I have to like straddle.
Which one?
Good start. Right, come on. I have to give myself a pep talk. Come on, Ola. We got this. More energy. More passion.
Oh.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ow.
Oh yeah. Who can't do it now?
Oh.
Now, to be fair, you probably will. I'm too
No, I
too
probably
weak.
won't.
I'm too weak.
I don't know if I can. Ah! Yes! Yes, I did it!
Oh, you did it.
Pass me a punch.
Uh,
I did it. Let's get some good exercise. Yeah.
well done.
We did it.
Did a better job than me.
All we needed was you just needed to give yourself a pep talk.
Oh, I just need to grow some muscles.
You alone.
I'm just weak.
It's all them putting them headers into transport mode.
Yeah.
You can do that though. We've only gone and done it. To be honest, it was stuck in here a second ago and I couldn't get it out, and Izzy got it out because she's more patient, so it's teamwork makes the dream work. So. I wouldn't say I'm that much stronger, but
To do that, you'll need to be online.
hello. It's time for the gun. That was slightly embarrassing, the amount I was huffing and puffing, but anyway, we got there. They're really hard to change, I have to say. Any tips, put in the comments below. What do you think of my concave changing? What do you think of your new rig, Izzy? It's rather large. Look how big it is compared to Izzy. Jeez. It's time for Izzy to drive the 405 and cart out of the shed. Right, I'm going to watch her. We didn't realise, but you have to like lock the axles or something. I don't know. And we're off cutting. Look at them John Deeres. Okay, let's just have a real quick recap. Yesterday we were in North Dakota, sorry. We're in North Dakota, Fortuna. We left early yesterday morning just as sunrise came up. We made it all the way back last night. This morning we've unloaded, we've changed concaves, we've put a new belt on my combine, we've sorted everything out, and now we're cutting soybeans. So soybeans and corn is full harvest. It was really funny because just before we left to go on the 2,000-mile harvest, we were planting the soybeans and corn, and now they're ready, and now we're back. So this is officially the start of full harvest, which was really exciting. I've never combined or even seen soybeans before because we don't have them really in the UK. So we're just doing a sample and then we'll get to it. I've just changed all my settings, all my rotor, sieves, etc. We'll just wait for the farmer to come back. It's also so lovely to be back in a lovely bed, and what's so funny is the living quarters that we have here are amazing. The shower, just the shower, is bigger than our bedroom in the camper, and our bedroom in the camper was pretty big, like for a camper. So me and Izzy were like running around like, oh my god, look at all this space, we have a sofa and the TV and stuff like that. So I slept so well last night. I didn't think I was tired from the drive, but today it's hitting me a little bit, and I think I was, but it was a long time. And that's a shame, it's too wet, so we might try again in an hour or so. So soybeans have to be 15 and they're coming off at 16, so it doesn't look like we're going to be cutting today, but we're going to try again tomorrow. It's like 5 o'clock now, so I don't think they're going to dry out a whole percent. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. What did you think of our concave changing, unloading and everything? But yeah, see you next time. Thanks again.